everybody, welcome back to our channel. So welcome back to another VlogTober episode. So I am getting ready for my week. It's Sunday and I need to plan out for the week. So as most of you know, I shop on Wednesdays and then I plan for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday until the next Tuesday. But in this Carrie L meal planner that I'm using, it starts on Sundays. I guess I could change my dates if I wanted to, but I just haven't done that. So I am planning out for the 14th through the 20th. And I am actually heading out on a business trip. So I have to make sure that there's meals for the kids while I'm gone. My sister will be staying with them again while I'm away. And my son is close. I won't be far this time. Last time I was a couple states away. Now I'm just going to be just up the road. But I do have to remain on site. So I'm going to go down and think about all the things that we do have. I'm actually going to shop. So let me see. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Wednesday's my shopping day. So for sure, I'm shopping on Wednesday. So that's my shopping day. Today they're having, which is Sunday, there's going to be leftovers for. And they had pizza. And what else was left over? This is pizza. And we're just going to say etc. Because there's just a plethora of different things that they have to, that they can use up for today. Whatever's not used up for today, we will be done with because we've had some stuff for a while. So tomorrow, I'm trying to think, what do we have on hand? So I'm going to make a list over here. On hand, we have fish, we have chicken, broccoli, we have cauliflower, we have sausage, we have coleslaw, we got bacon, what else is in that freezer? We have spaghetti squash, we have zucchini, spinach. So, and Alana's cooking meals, so I have to make sure it's something that she is comfortable cooking. So let me see. We're going to do a meatless Monday here. And have her do zucchini and spinach Alfredo. And then she can do that with the keto breadsticks from the Craveable Keto cookbook. So she's actually only going to have to make one meal, which is going to be for Meatless Monday. Then on Tuesday, because we got our spaghetti squash last week, I'm going to do spaghetti squash with a sausage and red sauce. And we have taekwondo, and nothing on Saturday, praise the Lord. So let me see. I'm probably going to do some chicken thighs. I'll do chicken thighs here. And I'll probably do a loaded broccoli and cauliflower. I'm going to do loaded broccoli and cauliflower. Thursday, I'm going to do coleslaw and sausage more like an egg roll in a bowl. Friday, I'm going to have to get some more wings, but we like having the garlic parm wings. And then we like the pizza, fathead pizza. We like that. So that would, I'm going to put an arrow here because that could either be Friday or Saturday, just depending. We have not had hamburgers in a while, but I don't have hamburgers right now. So one of these days might be breakfast for dinner. And we're going to make those interchangeable with breakfast for dinner. So I'm going on a business trip and I have to eat keto while I'm gone because even though I'm traveling, I'm still trying to remain keto. So for my business trip, we're going to travel over to the pantry and see what I can pull out. That's going to help me keep my goals while I'm doing keto and traveling. Okay, so in the pantry closet, okay, I know I'm going to pull out some pork rinds because these help me to stay on track. In addition to the pork rinds, I'm going to pull out some of these. These are like some flavors, replenish waters or whatever. You put them in your water. So I'm going to pack some of those. Then I'm also going to pack, I've got almonds, but that is a really big bag. And I don't know that I want to take this full bag. Oh, I have cheese wisps down there. So let me see. Wisps, I'll take those. That's just really snacky things. So let's see what else I have in here. Oh, I've got some protein bars. These are some salt and vinegar pork rinds that we bought that we don't love. So I do have to do 2 breakfasts because I don't think we're having any meals. There's no meals included in this business trip. So I'm going to take a couple of Quest bars. 4 net grams of carbs. So I'm going to do, this is a cinnamon roll. This is a chocolate peanut butter that I'm going to take. And then this is a chocolate brownie. So I'm only going to need 2 breakfasts. So I'm only going to take 2 of those. Then I have gourmet almonds. I'm going to do these small ones. I'll do the small bag of almonds so I don't have to open the big bag. And then I do have some lilies. I forgot that I had this. So praise God. I've got extra dark. This is almond. Oh, I've got a couple of these. Well, darn. There's 2 almond. There is a salted almond. And then there's a sea salt. So I like the dark. I like dark. And this one is open. I use one of these rows. I only eat like 1 row at a time. Half of this is, I think it's 3 net carbs. Let me see. It's 19 total carbs. Subtract 8 fibers, which is 11. Subtract 7 erythritol. So it's 4 net carbs for half of it. And I only eat 1 row. So not even a fifth of it. 1, 2, 3, 6. Not even a sixth of it. Or just a sixth of it. So that's what I'm going to take as far as snacky things. And then I'll put this other stuff back. Odds are I won't eat any of this or much of it. But I do need to be prepared for it just in case. And I'm going to put this one back because I don't want to open that big one if I don't have to. Alright. Let's see what's in the fridge that I can grab out. Okay. So I made some Muddy Buddies using pork rinds. I am going to take those. Alon, will you grab me some blackberries from down there? I'm going to take the blackberries from down there. I am going to take some of my coffee cream. Oh, I'm going to have an iced coffee before I go as well. Because I've got this iconic protein. So I'm going to have an iced coffee on the road, which will be lovely. I'm going to take some bottles of water. But I do want to take some creamer because I won't be able to get that in the hotel. And maybe some of this heavy cream. We're going to try to find a old water bottle or something I can use to put, you know, some of that in. Is there anything else? Let me see. There's not a lot happening here because I have to cook most things. So I'm going to actually have to, oh, okay. Look at the Lord, he loves me. So I bought these, right? I bought these to figure out, you know, if they would be good. So I'm going to pack. Okay, so I'm getting better here. I got some turkey sticks, turkey sausage sticks that I could take. I got this guacamole that I bought with a coupon. I don't know if I like guacamole because I've never had it before, but I'm going to take it because I may try it. I've got a couple of cheese sticks here, which will work. And then this is the Asiago cheese, and this one has the provolone cheese. I don't think I need to take both of them. There's 6 pieces of cheese, 2 and probably 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 pieces of meat. Trying to decide 1 or 2. I'm going to take one of these, just this one. I'll save this one. This one is out by, you know, November, and then this one has some life on it. So I'm going to put that one back. I'm going to grab these few snacks because this will help me. Even if I can't eat, if I can't find anything to eat food-wise, at least I will have some things that are still keto friendly that will be good for me to have. So these are the things that I'm going to pack. Oh, these are already open, so I'll take those. And then this. And then, of course, I will put together meals when I'm there. So, these things here are for my niece and nephew because they like oatmeal. My kids don't eat it. So those are their things. Let's see. I got pickles. Garlic bites. Oh, maybe. Maybe the garlic pickles. I don't know. What's this one? Kosher deals. I know I'm not going to eat those. Okay. Alon, will you come and get my thing down? So I think this is what I'm going to end up taking with me to my trip. Wisps, the pork rinds that are open, the Muddy Buddies I made, blackberries. I think there's another one in there. I'm going to grab 2 of those. Some of the lilies, then the meat and cheese, guacamole, and a couple of string cheeses. That'll help me to definitely have snacks, and then I'll just have to figure out where I am and what I can grab for lunches. I can do anything without buns. Works out really great. So I'm going to have to figure it out once I get there because I'm going to a place I've never been before. So I'm going to have to figure that out once I get there of what's around me. Okay, I got pork rinds. I got wisps. I have guac. I have meat and cheese. I have string cheese. I have blackberries. And I have turkey sticks. So these are, oh, and I have a Lily's chocolate bar. So those are all the things that I have that I have protein bars too. That will get me through just like breakfast. For the protein bars will be a breakfast item. And then of course, I'm sure they might have breaks and different things, but they usually have cookies and different things I can't eat. So that's where the pork rinds or the wisps or the string cheese and the turkey sticks would come in. And I'll eat those things if I need them. I'm going to take them just in case. I don't know that I will need them, and I'm going to have them in a cooler bag so that they will stay fresh. Now, as far as my grocery list for this week, of the things that I absolutely know I need. I need eggs. I'm always going to get some veg. I need some minced garlic. I got some from the Dollar Tree, but it's not as fragrant as I would like. So I'm going to try to find some different. I got to have paper towels. Probably toilet paper too. I'll get that. Food items. Let me see. For meat, I'm probably going to get some shrimp this week. And hamburger if I can find it, because we have not had burgers in a while. For burgers in a bowl, I may get some lettuce. I will need some mozz cheese. And I'll need the chicken wings. I'll usually get spinach. I may see what other kind of greens they have this week that are on sale. So those are the only things that I know for sure that I'm going to need. But this is basically what my weekly menu plan is looking like, what I have on hand, what I'm taking for the trip, and then when I get back and go to the grocery store. So you'll see the grocery haul will come out on Thursday. So I'm shopping Wednesday. There will be a grocery haul on Thursday to show with you what I was able to pick up. And then, of course, we'll be planning for the next week. So there it is. This is my grocery list. What we have on hand. I'm not doing any cook-aheads. We did some cook-aheads. We did egg muffins and bacon. And Alana, of course, will probably cook some bacon if she needs to. But we did that yesterday. So we had a few things. We added mushrooms and spinach and bacon bits and cheese to those egg muffins so that the kids would have stuff ahead of time made. So this is what the plan looks like for this week. And we'll show you whatever else we do during the grocery haul. So thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out our meal plan. And we'll see you next video. Bye now.